the word school to refer to an educational institution. School, school year, school days, school bus. She is attending school in the city. The school year starts in September and ends in June. I miss my school days. They were some of the best times of my life. The school bus picks up children at 7:30 every morning to refer to a group or type of learning. School of thought, school of philosophy, school of art. He follows the school of thought that believes in self-learning. The school of philosophy he adheres to focuses on ethical behavior. The School of Art at this university is highly regarded for its innovative techniques to indicate a process of teaching or training. To school someone, school in, school for. She decided to school him in proper manners before the big event. The new employees will be schooled in the company's policies and procedures. They built a training program to school students for their future careers, to refer to a type or level of education: high school, middle school, primary school, graduate school. He graduated from high school last year. They have a separate middle school for students between grades 6 to 8. Primary school education is mandatory in many countries. After completing their undergraduate degree, they went on to graduate school for their master's. To express the concept of discipline or correction, school of hard knocks, schoolmaster, school of life. He learned the hard way through the school of hard knocks. The schoolmaster was strict, but his lessons were invaluable. The school of life teaches us many things that books cannot. To refer to a place of instruction or learning, finishing school, summer school, dance school. She attended a finishing school to learn proper etiquette and social skills. He had to attend summer school to make up for his failed classes. The little girl is enrolled in a dance school to improve her ballet skills.